Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you the top 5 Linux commands that every DevOps engineer must know with real-time production use cases. So everyone knows that Linux is a backbone of DevOps and cloud engineering. If you are working with servers, production and deployments, these commands are present in your day-to-day routine and day-to-day tasks. So let us deep dive into it. So the first command what we are going to learn is ls. So this particular command is used to list files and directories. So from my experience, whenever I'm just logging to the particular server, I will do ls. So I can understand what are the files and folders present in the particular directory of the VM. So let me show you quickly in the terminal which I have already logged in. Let us clear this. So I'm just going to do ls. You can be able to see the file which is present in the particular directory, which is Python API. So the next command with the coordination of ls, here is a command like ls dash l, which will give you the detailed information like file permissions and owners. So this is the owner of the file, this is the file permission which is present over here. So with ls-l you can see the owner of the file as well as the file permission and when it is edited and when it is created. You can able to see. And then one more command which is coordinated with ls is ls dash I ls dash lh, which means it will show the file size in the human readable format. So you can be able to see before it was like bytes. Now it can be able to see the size of the file is 4.0 KB, right? So these are the ls commands. Also there is another ls command which is ls-a. Can able to see the hidden files. Hidden files in the sense uh, before the file name prefix there will be a dot. So that means that is a hidden file. So you can able to see the hidden files also. So these are the type of ls commands what uh, I have shown you in the presentation. So in real DevOps works, I use ls to verify deployment files in directory like var, logs, and then opt or some other application folders. So in real world, every time for the deployment, I will use ls. So you should also practice to use the ls commands. The next command what we are going to see is cd. It stands for change directory. So this command is used to move between folders in Linux. Let us see that. Let us see that. So we are in the particular directory. I'm just going to enter into the particular directory, particular folder what we are showing in the VM, which is Python API. CD Python API. I have entered in the particular folder. Let us do ls-a for hidden files, ls-l to know the permission and users, ls-h lh to know the human readable format, the file size and all. So we can able to go into the particular folder using cd change directory. If you want to get out of this particular folder, you can do cd. You can just directly come into the home directory. If you want come out of a particular file one by one, in the sense, let us go to the apnb, which is environment file. If you want to get out of the file as one by one, in the sense, you can just do cd dot you'll be back you will be backward of particular one file. Again you can do cd dot, so you will be backward of particular home directory. Using this you can change the directory with cd command. For example, in the real-time DevOps engineers, we constantly use cd while deploying applications, editing files, and debugging issues. It is very, very, very useful. So next command, what we are going to see is pwd. The third command is pwd, which means present working directory. P stands for present, W stands for working, D stands for directory, present working directory. It shows your current location in the Linux file system. Let us see. Let me show you that. So we are in the Ubuntu home Ubuntu directory, right? So this command is extremely important in production environment. Before deleting files or editing configurations or running script, you should know your location before editing anything. So you have to use pwd. Let's go into the Python API to ls, and again I'm just going into the environment file cd. Now I'm going to run p. I am going to delete this particular directory. In the sense, before that we need to delete or edit. Before that we need to know where we are in the particular file system. We have to do present working directory pwd. It will show the particular directory where you have present, right? So in the real-time use case, many production issues happen simply because of command were executed in the wrong directory, right? So you must know the directory where you are present. So if we are know the particular directory, then what are the commands or what are the things you are going to do will be successful, right? Fourth command, what we are going to show you and what we are going to study in the sense tail. So tail. So this commands, which has three types of commands, which is cat, less, and tail. So these commands are mainly used to read files and logs. So this command is basically used for reading the files and the log of the file. So let me display you with the terminal what I am going to show you in the sense. Let's go into the particular directory. First of all, I'm going to show you cat. The cat command is used to display the entire content of the file. So this is a file main.py. I'm just do cat main.py. It will show the content which is present in the particular file, right? So let's the next command is less. So less is used for large files where you want to scroll safely. Less is basically used in the large file to scroll safely and look into the particular line of the code. So here we have only 5 lines. So it is very small file. Here we no need usage of less, right? So if you want to quit this particular less, you need to enter q, right? Okay. So last we have a tail, right? Tail is basically used to monitor logs in real time. Let us show you that. Let me show you that. So use for basically monitor the logs, right? F var log nginx error log. So you see this particular command hyphen I stands for live logs, right? So this is the directory. This is the directory where log nginx and all. These are the folders. This is the file. I'm just checking the log to monitor whether we are getting any error in the nginx or not. So which is the error which is present before itself. So I'm just showing you, right? So, in real-time use cases during deployment or incidents like any failure or any disaster, tail dash hyphen f with the application log is one of the most used command to debug live production issues, right? So this particular command is most used to debug the live production issues. Got it? Next. The next command what we are going to learn is grep. The fifth command is grep. Grep is used to search the specific text inside the file. For example, let me show you that. Let me show you that. Already we just logged in. I'm just clicking the up arrow. Already we have logged in this particular directory, right? What I am going to do in the sense, I am going to sudo grep var log engine. I am just going to get the particular text which is present in the particular folder. I need to enter the folder name. Grep. Particular text name is notice. Here we have notice, right? So this grep command is used to find out the particular text which is present in the folder or a file, right? I'm just entering. I can able to get this particular notice here, right? Can able to follow, right? So in the real time, grep is heavily used for log analysis and troubleshooting production issues, right? So it is basically used for to find any port. So any port is causing some issues or any particular configuration or any credential is causing this particular issues. To troubleshoot or log analysis, this grep command is essential to use it in the live production live usages. So right now we have learned five different commands, right? Let me show you that last. We have learned five different commands, which is ls list. First command is ls, right? ls is basically list the files, cd change directory, then present working directory, then grep, then tail is used, right? So the outcome of this video is these are the top five commands every DevOps engineer must know. If you are willing to have part two with more advanced commands used in real production, like and share and subscribe to our channel. So we will get your inputs and then we'll make another video. Thank you.